So let's talk about the remodeling nowadays, because it used to be people thought when they went in and upgraded their kitchen or upgraded the bathroom, they were doing a major remodel, and nowadays that's almost become a minor remodel.
Oh yeah, yeah. No, the days of a straightforward take everything out, put it back in, just new and fresh. Those seem to be long gone. I mean, it's just about every project we do that we're getting out the jackhammers, and we're relocating plumbing, we're removing walls, we're installing beams, we're opening up floor plans. We're really rearranging the house, not just giving it a little facelift.
So when you guys come out, I mean, somebody calls you, you guys go out, you sit down with the people and start getting an idea of what they want. One of the things that you guys did that I just find cool as heck is you were able to go in and do it into a 3D rendering where somebody could literally walk through their house.
Absolutely, absolutely. Everything is so visual these days.
Yes.
It's hard to really gain an accurate vision of what's going to happen just by reading words on a page. That's why we have a full architectural team on staff. We've got a draftsman that will draw a formidable set of plans that we need to execute these projects and apply for permits. But the program also allows us to generate a 3D rendering that allows us to walk through it almost like a point of view video game. It's really cool.
Yeah.
It's really cool. And the level of detail that goes into those renderings it's shockingly good.
Yes.
It's hard to distinguish between the generated rendering and a real photo. It really is.
Well, when I was over at your guys' office, they didn't let me play with that near as long as I wanted to. That was really cutting edge stuff back in the day, and even today, most remodelers don't use that technology.
Yeah, yeah, and it's surprisingly accessible too. I've been very impressed with some of our clients that come to us with these renderings. They're utilizing large language models and AI to take a picture of their house and then use it to change the colors or add tile or add windows, move walls, things like that. So the clients are embracing this technology as well.